Welcome to the Drug-Resistant TB Manager, Dr. TB Manager tutorial. This video provides step-by-step guidance for site clinicians, pharmacists, and program managers on using the Dr. TB Manager workbook for data entry, patient follow-up, and drug stock monitoring. In this video, we will cover the program objectives, why this system is needed, the key changes in workflow, and the system's salient features. We will also walk through data entry, data flow, expected outcomes, and the implementation plan. This tutorial aims to build your confidence in data entry, standardize patient registration and reporting practices across all sites, enable real-time patient monitoring, and support evidence-based drug ordering. We are addressing several challenges: fragmented patient tracking, manual and error-prone stock counts, slow, inconsistent reporting, and the risks associated with manual drug quantification. The Dr. TB Manager replaces manual registers with a live digital system. It features structured registries, auto-calculated dosages, an automated stock ledger, patient status flagging, and formula-driven quarterly demand forecasting. The workbook's functionality is driven by several key features: color-coded cells, validated drop-downs to prevent entry errors, regimen-aware dosing, and automatic follow-up flags. It also includes a real-time stock ledger, early warning alerts, linked sheets, and automated quarterly forecasting.
The workbook consists of 8 interconnected sheets. You only enter data into the patient registry and transactions sheets. The remaining sheets, including status reports, stock ledgers, and demand forecasts, are generated automatically.
For the patient registry, enter a unique DRTB number to link the patient. Select site, sex, and HIV status from dropdowns. Choose the regimen to drive calculations, and update dates as needed. Leave the green cells untouched, as they are computed automatically. In the transaction sheet, record the date, transaction type, drug name, and batch number. The expiry date will autofill. For issues, enter the patient's DRTB number. Enter quantities, and the balances will recalculate automatically. Follow these rules for data entry. Only edit blue cells, use drop-down lists, maintain 1 row per record without gaps, and always enter the batch number first for transactions to ensure accurate calculations. Adverse events can be logged directly in the patient registry. Consistent grading of severity is essential for national reporting and helps streamline the pharmacovigilance process without needing separate paper forms. This flow shows how your entries in the registry and transaction sheets power the entire workbook, automatically updating all status, stock, and demand reports. The weekly status report pulls patient data from the registry to show who is on track, due, or overdue. Use this sheet for weekly outreach planning and defaulter tracing. The monthly report summarizes enrollment, drug consumption, and projected requirements. It serves as your primary source for program review meetings and reporting to the national program. Finally, the Master Stock Ledger provides a real-time dashboard for drug balances and alerts. Please review this information before placing orders or redistributing stock between sites. The quarterly demand forecast automates your procurement requests. By entering your active patients, regimen, and buffer stock, the workbook calculates net demand and total packs required, ensuring your figures are ready for official submission. Using this system provides immediate benefits: a unified patient record, proactive defaulter tracing, real-time stock visibility, evidence-based quantification for orders, early warning alerts for expiring stock, and consistent data for provincial reviews. The transition to the Dr. TB Manager follows a 5-phase rollout: initial orientation, a 1-month pilot phase, migration of current patient and stock data, the formal go live, and ongoing supportive supervision by the M&E team. Clear roles ensure success. Clinicians enter patient data, pharmacists track drug transactions, coordinators review status reports to follow up with patients, and the provincial logistics team handles data consolidation. To maintain reliability, we will conduct routine data quality checks through spot audits, provide ongoing refresher training, refine the system based on user feedback, and work toward full provincial-level dashboard integration. For reference, this glossary defines common abbreviations for Dr. TB regimens and drugs, such as BPAL, BPALM, and specific medications like bedaquiline, pretomanid, and linzolid. This second glossary sheet covers essential monitoring terms used in the workbook, including how average monthly consumption and buffer stocks are calculated, as well as definitions for key status indicators like LTFU. Thank you for completing this tutorial. We appreciate your commitment to improving patient care. If you have questions or require technical support, please reach out to the contacts provided.